Okay guys, are you still having low views, low comments, low likes on your videos here on TikTok? Well, I just want to show you a simple step that many persons are using to go viral on TikTok. And this step that I'm going to show you will help you to also go viral, that even your village people will not be able to stop you from going viral. Follow this step closely. Drop any question that you have in the comment section. Don't fail to follow my page, like this video and share it to others. Subscribe to this channel also. Let's go. Okay guys, here is one of the things that people are using on TikTok to go viral. I mean, these are trending. A lot of guys are using this and you see many likes, comments, and they have a lot of followers on their page. So I just want to show you step by step on how to carry out, how to do exactly what they are doing. Now, you go to TikTok. When you come to TikTok like this, go to the search bar and you tap on, or you type AI photo effects, as you are seeing up here, AI photo effects. Now you click on it. Now when it opens like this, these are various videos that people are making using AI, using so many effects. Okay, you can decide to use any of them, but let's go on this one. Now you see these three AI photo effects with this video icon. You want to use the second one, for example, you tap on the second one. Now down here you see use effect. You click on it. Use effect. Now I still want to select another effect that I like. To do that, you use this icon. You use this button down here to choose a particular one that you want. Okay, if I want to leave it here, look at what will happen. All I need here to appear in this house as if it is my house, as if this is where I'm staying, I'll need to click on this plus icon in the left hand side. Then I will upload any of my picture. Alright, now let me look for my beautiful picture to upload. Okay, let me search on my picture. I can upload, decide to go with this. Okay, you see my picture is appearing there. If I want to use this, I'll just click on this. I'll click on this place and then record my video. Okay, that is one, but I'm not going to use this. I'm not going with this, but there is still other effect in this section that we can also use. Okay, so I'll discard this. Now I wanted to select, so here you can select any effect that you want to use. Let's say for example I want to appear as if I am standing in front of a car. All I need to do, after selecting this effect here, this picture effect, I will click on my screen. Alright, and this picture that my camera has taken now will now be redesigned and I will appear as if I am in front of a car. Let's see what happens. It's loading. Now can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? How beautiful this is. Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? So only what I need to do now is I'll tap on this icon to write whatever I want to write to describe that my picture, and then I'll upload. This simple effect has helped a lot of persons to go viral on TikTok. These are simple things that we can do to go viral on TikTok, to help our account to be discovered by more persons and to have more followers, more likes and more comments. These are very simple things that guys are using to go viral on TikTok. Try it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to follow my page, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to others. So please, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, like this video and also share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.